and welcome to today's video. Angela here. If you watched the unboxing of this lovely Winter, I think Winter Boutique is her name. Her card is actually still inside her box. You will have heard me say that the lovely little hat is plastic and quite hard, and actually it's quite a tight fit, so that when you put it on, it kind of goes over her face and her hair comes down, so it's not a great fit. It does have a little M for Minnie in the centre of it there, which is barely visible. And I had a close look, so it's a texture that's on it, but there's two different textures there. And I think that would just be a little bit too hard to replicate in miniature, in this size of miniature. So I am going to make a knit hat for her. But it's going to have a texture, but it's just the one texture in it. So I am using Anchor 1038 for this, and I'm using my size 18 knitting needles. So I have started off by casting on 36 stitches, and I worked 4 rows of knit 1 purl 1 rib. And then I started the texture pattern of work 2 rows of knit 1 purl 1 rib, and then knit 2 rows, or garter stitch 2 rows, and then done the same thing again, work 2 rows of knit 1 purl 1 rib and garter stitch 2 rows, and then I've done it a third time, knit 2 rows of knit 1 purl 1 rib and 2 rows of garter stitch. And so I'm hoping to have a little turn up in this little hat here. So I'm just about ready for the decrease on it. So let's see if we can get started on that then. So slip 1, knit 1, pass, slip stitch over, work 2, 4, 5 stitches, and then I am going to slip 1, knit 1, pass, slip stitch over, we are going to start with a purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 along to the end of the row. Let's see how that looks. Okay, for our next row, we are going to knit 2 together. That first decrease should have just been a knit 2 together, but sometimes it's a little bit tricky in the first stitch. I'll give it a try this time. Yeah, there we go. Knit 2 together, and then this is a garter stitch row, so it should be knit 1, 2, 3, slip 1, knit 1, pass, slip stitch over, Okay, and we knit across the reverse side, and there should be 20 stitches. Right, that's 20. Okay, so we've worked 2 rows of decrease so far. Every alternate row. Let's have a wee look. And that's looking. It's coming on quite nicely. Quite happy with that so far. Okay. Right, on to our next decrease row. So it should be just 1 stitch in between them this time. Okay, now you should have 12 stitches. Okay, let's have a wee look. Okay, looks like we're nearly finished. I think that would be quite nice. Right, this row here is just knit 2 together to end. Okay, now I'm going to cut the thread and thread it through the stitches that are left. Fingers crossed this works out first time. Right, let's fold it over, pull up the stitches and secure, and then sew down. I like to hold the little rib together to make sure it keeps my sewing even. Just a whip stitch for this is fine. I'm going to turn it the right way round and sew the first 4 rows of the rib on this side. This is the bit where it will be turned up. Okay, now for the moment of truth, is it going to fit? So we'll turn it back around the correct way and we'll pop it on her head and see. Okay, now don't worry about that because we do have a brim, remember. I'm going to take it out of the stand to do this little bit. Oh, it's maybe better turning up the brim first. It doesn't pop off. And pop the hat on. I really like it. I really prefer the fabric to the plastic. It's really nice though, isn't it? Can you see it? Thanks for watching. Hope you like this little hat and it's something that you would like to knit up for your doll. Have a go. Let me know how you get on. Bye for now. Bye.